Hey guys, what's going on? So today I will show you how to delete your TikTok account. So this is going to be easy and straightforward. So let's start. So let's open up TikTok. Tap on the profile icon on the lower right corner. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner and tap on settings and privacy. On the next page, tap on account and tap on deactivate or delete account. So here you will have two options. You can deactivate account or you can delete account permanently. So for this video, we are going to delete account permanently. So give your reason why you want to delete your account and tap continue. Now if you're ready to delete your account, tap on the options button and tap continue. So once you deleted your account, it will actually stay with TikTok system for 30 days. So if you want to change your mind, you can always recover it. And yes, we also have a video for that. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.